Word. Word bond. RJX, nigga. This is the one and only. RJX and Mini. I want to let y'all know about something. This is to all my exes who said they was going to be there for me. I have a question for y'all, a deep question for y'all. Where the hell was y'all at? Where was y'all at, man? That's my question to all y'all. And Minnie's question is to her exes, where was they at?
Say what?
Tell her where they was at, Minnie. Show them what they got.
Check.
Where was you at? What? Hey yo, back in the day, I thought I was a pimp. Pulling all them females, thinking I'm Puff Daddy. Then I met this young girl, the one who named me RJ. We argue every day. Tell me what I did. She wanted a baby by me. Fucking in the bathroom. But not only that, it was the movie theater bathroom.
Here we go.
What the hell was you thinking? I've been through hella shit.
Yeah.
Watch this man die. Yeah.
Check it.
Where was you at? Where was you at? What? Where was you at? You at when I needed you, girl?
Check it.
Where was you at when I got my heart broken? Where was you at when I watched him die?
Check it.
Where was you at when I almost got jumped? Where was you at? Where was you at? Where was you at? Where was you at, girl? Where was you at, girl? Where was you at when I needed you, girl? Where was you at when I got my heart broken? Where was you at when I needed you, girl? Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Oh yeah. This is the one and only. RJX and Mini. This is to all of our past relationships. Where the hell was all at when we needed you? Y'all say we were gonna be down. Am I right or wrong? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright. Word.
Oh yeah.